Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Shortcuts and creating a new shortcut. Tap the plus icon to begin. Next, add the Open App action and select the app you want to rename because the shortcut will act as the renamed launcher. Once done, configure whether the shortcut appears in the home screen or share sheet so you can access it directly. Make sure to grant any permissions if prompted, since that allows the shortcut to launch the app without additional prompts. You now tap the three-dot menu to reach shortcut details and type the new name you want. This is what shows on the home screen. Then choose Add to Home Screen. This step lets you override the app label with your chosen text, so you're effectively renaming the app's launcher. While here, replace the icon by selecting a photo, file, or emoji to fit the new name. Changing visuals helps you recognize the renamed shortcut at a glance. You finish by tapping Add. Place the new shortcut where you want on the home screen, then test it to ensure it launches the app directly. If tapping opens the Shortcuts editor instead of the app, make sure you use the Open App action and save the shortcut correctly, resave, or rebuild if needed. Finally, if problems persist, check permissions for shortcuts, try reinstalling the Shortcuts app, or restart your device to clear transient issues and restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.